Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona. And today we got Bob's period correct, super wicked, candy apple red 73 Camaro in the shop. It was just a little easy brake light switch that we just did. But throughout the years, we've done little things here and there for him to keep it on the road and keep it safe. But check it out. Lots of custom body work. Lots of custom body work. And the Camaro geeks out there, what's up with the roof in the back window? That's right. Custom T-top install on the early 2nd gen. Big power, big block. Lots of carbs. Lots of shine. Yeah. You know, this car is just so wild with legit candy apple red paint that I don't think there's any point about talking about it in the shop here. It needs to be out in the sun. It needs to be out in the sun to see everything that's going on. Kind of ghost red flames in there. Bow ties. Look at that front spoiler. All molded in. Alright, enough of this inside the shop. This candy is just too bright to be inside. We gotta move it outside into the sun. Something wrong if you don't like electronic cutouts. Here she is in all her glory in the sun. See what I'm saying? Why film it in the shop? Look at that candy. Good Lord. Oh man. Wow. Look at that, look at that. Check those custom body mods out. Look at that fully molded lower valance. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Obviously, a custom hood with flames hiding in there. Look at that in the sun. Flares. super smooth. Proud to get back in the sun. Show that off. Molded in spoiler. Look at that. Look at that bodywork. Super nice. More of those flames on the fender, doors. So subtle. If candy apple can be subtle, it's subtle. Classic street machine, total street machine. Everything about it screams street machine. Two-tone interior. All right. I think if you've been paying attention, you know I like obnoxious, and this is obnoxious. Obnoxious in a totally good way. All right, we're done with this. No need for a test drive. It's just a switch that we replaced. So, let me know what you guys think. If you could, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, we really do appreciate it. A big special thanks to Brian for always commenting.